The Internet offers incredible money-making open doors for individuals with PC information and abilities required to flourish in this online medium. There are various approaches to acquire cash on the web, yet the 10 most ideal approaches to procure cash online are: give selling things a shot. The Internet. That is the most straightforward method for profiting web-based utilizing the Internet. Selling items on the web through web-based shopping entryways, virtual closeout locales, or setting up a web store in your very own site gives an extraordinary pay chance to everybody who has something decent to offer to potential clients on the web. This is perfect for producing the necessary measure of income on a long-haul premise and is the easiest of money-making alternatives accessible on the web. For every one of the individuals who accept that their photography abilities can intrigue anybody, there is an incredible choice to sell photographs on the web and win cash. There are various stock photography organizations present on the web, which help you in selling your photographs on the web. These offices offer extraordinary motivating forces and salary chances to growing picture takers. The sum is paid on A for each download premise to these picture takers in the wake of getting the eminence installment rights from them. This is an exceptionally valuable approach to procure cash on the web on the off chance that you have the necessary range of abilities. A few message sheets have numerous guests to their locales. These message sheets are reliant on ordinary commitments from the gathering individuals to keep the network alive and the discussion developing. As the message sheets get well known, there are chances that more individuals that are new will join the gathering and get their questions settled or contribute towards the dialogue. These message sheets get the adequate notices to pay to their most dynamic individuals, who have been posting all the time, along these lines, allowing them to procure some cash. Through different person-to-person communication destinations, it is really conceivable to win cash while experiencing diverse profile of individuals who are individuals from these locales. Some long-range interpersonal communication destinations pay its clients cash to improve page impressions in their profile to pull in more guests. These destinations additionally offer cash for transferring and sharing pictures and eluding new individuals to the person-to-person communication site. The cash given to an individual relies upon a proportionate installment structure arrangement by the site that appropriates practically 50% of its publicizing incomes to its individuals. Topping off overviews is another approach to acquire cash on the web. Topping off statistical surveying overview may resemble an exceptionally exhausting movement, however the chances to win cash in this sort of work are interminable. There are a huge number of research bunches on the web, which might want to take your assessment about different things and in that procedure, pay you for displaying your supposition. For each overview finished, there are sure focuses or cash offered out to the clients. When the cash procuring limit is hit, the study group permits the client the chance to take the cash or trade the focuses for a specific measure of cash. Another incredible method to acquire cash online is through sites. The way toward blogging can assist clients with winning part of cash online by placing an imaginative substance in their web journals. There are two different ways of approaching this blogging action. One is to make your very own blog and compose all the substance all alone. This is an agonizing procedure where you have to do all the difficult work to procure cash. The subsequent one is to arrangement a supported blog where you compose audits about items for organizations needing to advance their business. These blog locales pay you cash for giving great feeling about a specific item. This is a standout amongst other pay openings present on the web. The web gives the ideal stage to consultants to gain cash by giving administrations dependent on their ranges of abilities. These may incorporate ability, for example, composing, programming, realistic structuring, and preparing. There are numerous sites where purchaser posts their prerequisites for a specific task and specialists can offer for that task. The purchaser at that point chooses the specialist organization for the task and doles out the assignment to them. This is probably the most secure approaches to win cash on the web, and the site takes a specific cut from your installment as the go-between to have you the activity. It is pretty much a success win recommendation for everybody included. The three different approaches to gain cash online is by wagering, setting up an online business, or by playing PC games. Every one of these choices gives diverse kind of acquiring potential and requires distinctive measure of exertion to set the ball rolling and produce the necessary measure of pay for you. Click the link in the description for more information.